Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and we're here another series of touring Molynes Road, or covering Molynes Road. So this is the second video. The first video was Gilmore Drive. This is video number 2. We're gonna cover Cowper Avenue. So that's where we're heading right now. It's a very short road. So it's Cowper Drive. It's a very short drive, so let's go. It connects back to Gilmore Drive as well. So we're starting out at this total Gilmore Drive, and we're gonna enter Molynes Road. So remember to like the video, so that helps the video to spread on YouTube. Remember to share, comment, and subscribing is free. So Cowper Avenue is right here, so you can enter it, but they prevent vehicles from exiting, again, to manage traffic. And I think they could have done that now right at the barricade with Gilmore Drive, since the gas station block out now the entrance. I think they could have done that, but they would have interrupted the little commercial activity that is going on. Alright guys, so if you have ever lived on this drive or know somebody that lives on the drive, remember to share the video with them. Is this your first time on this drive? Let me know in the comments as well. So again, so it's a middle class community, meaning with some older type of homes. Some has been renovated. House prices in this area for a 5-bedroom is around 38 million. 7 years ago that was like 18 mil. So real estate is moving like a magnet. It's moving like nothing else, guys. What do you guys think about the house prices in Jamaica? Do you guys think it's higher than it should be? Do you guys think a lot of these luxury apartments are pushing up the house prices? Do you guys think the realtors are pushing it to another level and everyone comes and push it to a next level? What do you guys think with the house prices? Again, house prices. Yes, as I said, it's a very short drive. We're basically finished, because around this corner will be the houses on the right. There's a gully behind them. So around this corner we connect back to Gilmore Drive. But I don't know, guys, probably you're watching one of these videos and see a house for sale that you're interested in. Because you know what that happened to one of my subscribers who was watching the video, saw a house. It wasn't for sale, but she was in love. She approached the owner, made a deal, and she was able to buy that property. So you never know. So we just entered Gilmore Drive and turned back. Just taking another trip on Cowper Avenue. So if you missed anything, you'll be able to see, you know. every video I do won't be for everyone. Some persons like the community drive, some people like night drive, some people like rain drive. I haven't done a night drive in a while, so every video will not be for everyone. Some people love the drone video, some people love the review, new construction, road construction, but you know, I have to be versatile and work with the resources I have as well. So remember to like the video, guys. Drop a like. You know, when I turn back, you know what I forgot? I forgot that I can't exit on Molynes Road. So I'm gonna have to turn back and exit from Washington Boulevard. Alright, so you guys get to see a lot on Cowper Avenue, because this is the third run. Alright, so we're gonna exit on Washington Boulevard. So if you see any house you like, guys, let me know in the comment as well which one is your favorite. It could be color, it could be the grill work, fence. I know you guys not seeing the entire property for sure, but you can still let me know based on what you're able to glimpse, what you like in the comments. And as usual, remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share. And I'll see you guys on another video. Thanks for watching.